Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is headmasters, science teachers, laboratory attendants. Friends, headmasters may be science teachers or even science teachers may be headmasters. So I will represent that relationship by this diagram. Now, laboratory attendants. Laboratory attendants cannot be headmasters and they cannot be a science teacher. Therefore, the laboratory attendants will be represented by one more circle like this. Okay. Now let us check our result in the given Venn diagrams. The given Venn diagram E matches with our result. So check the given options. The option 1 is F, second is E, which matches with our result. Therefore, option 2 is the right one. Well friends, we will see some more problems.